The Myco Labs Growers Select 28-quart monotub is made from thick, high-density polypropylene, so it feels solid and holds up well to repeated use and cleaning. Its compact 12-inch by 12-inch by 12-inch footprint still offers generous growing volume, making it a good fit for small grow spaces or discreet setups. The built-in filtered air ports are positioned to encourage steady fresh air exchange while keeping contaminants out, which helps mushrooms develop healthy structure and yield. Included hole plugs allow you to dial in airflow during incubation so you can keep conditions stable before switching to more ventilation for fruiting. The tubs are designed to stack securely and can support substantial weight when stacked, which is very helpful if you are running multiple monotubs in a limited area. The 2-pack comes with liners, filter discs, and plugs already matched to the tubs, reducing guesswork for newer growers and speeding up the overall setup process.